never rode no train in my life. This what we get on?
I thought they said location 4, but I guess it's this one.
They did say location number 4.
Yeah, that's what we wanted to step, so that's that right there.
So y'all, I'm here on this train. Say hey.
Hey.
So y'all, I hope I just make it to my destination safe. This is my first time riding on the train, y'all. So y'all gonna be with me, YouTube. Y'all gonna be with me. All right. I'll keep y'all posted. We leaving, y'all. It's moving. Ain't nobody on this bus, y'all. Look.
The cafe car will close promptly at 11.
Y'all,
No
we
more
rocking.
beverages, cups of ice, water, nothing will be available after 11. So if you want anything, please make sure you come and get it.
I'm scared, y'all. But look
There's
at
a
the view.
safety card in the seat pocket in front of you. Please familiarize yourself with the exits on the safety card. Wear shoes at all times when walking throughout the train. Expect sudden movement when walking throughout the train to make sure you get a grip using the seat back.
Hey y'all, so right now I'm sitting in the train station with Miss Little Minnie here. Say hey, Zoe. Say hey.
Hey.
Okay, that's her, y'all.
So I'm sitting in this train station right now, waiting for my ride, y'all. The train ride was pretty good or whatever. It was a little scary at first, but I'm a big girl. I can handle it. So y'all, this is all for my video. Thank you guys for watching this video along with me with the train ride. And make sure you please click your post notifications. Please like, comment, and subscribe to this channel and see what your girl is doing. So, this is Unique Brand Life. See you next time. Bye.